Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Joel Blackman. I'm 25 years old. I have my own social media marketing agency and I just hit £10,000 a month for the first time in my life. It's such a big achievement to hit such a big number, because when people used to ask me what my goals were or this, that, the other, it used to just roll off the shoulder. £10,000 a month, that's the figure. I'm pretty sure most of you there right now who are watching this video has that same number in their head. £10,000 a month, £120,000 per year. But there's two quick things I want to mention before I dive into this video. The first thing being is I'm not trying to sell you anything. This video isn't going to lead you down to the description where you're going to buy my online course or my online seminar. I don't have an online course. I actually honestly have nothing to sell you. This video is purely to help as many people as possible. And the second thing is this £10,000 is not profit. I have not made profit. I have expenses through my business. I've got my corporation to pay. I've got my dividend tax to pay. I've got my personal liability tax to pay. So those that go onto YouTube and go, I've made £10,000, this is how you do it, buy my online course, it's just smokes and mirrors. You're not really making that money. So that £10,000 is pre-tax revenue. I'm probably left with around £6,500–7,000, which is still a crazy amount of money to be earning when you're 25 years old. I went from working a 9-to-5 lifeguarding job just over 3 years ago, and within the last 2 years I've managed to build my own social media marketing agency that has over 15 clients making £10,000 a month. Now, if you're watching this and you either have your own business or you're currently working a 9-to-5 job that you're trying to escape to build your own business, if someone like me can create a business that does 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, £10,000 a year, then I'm pretty sure you can do the same thing too. I don't like blowing smoke up people's arse and trying to lie to them and get them to subscribe or this, that, the other, but I'm genuinely saying it. If I can do it, you can do it as well, because I was a kid who dropped out of school. I didn't even get any grades. I didn't go to sixth form and get past my exams and nothing like that. I genuinely just left school and started hustling and making as much money as I can building my business. The £10,000 a month was just such a massive milestone for me, and it's not going to be every month. Like if I bring on another 2 or 3 clients, yep, it's going to go up to £11,000 or £12,000 a month. Or if I lose some clients because they just can't afford it anymore with the cost of living and their business is failing, then it may drop down to £7,000 or £8,000 a month. But still, I've managed to hit that big goal of £10,000. Earning that revenue literally all came through my social media marketing agency, where I take photos, videos, and I run my clients' social media. Pretty much a full-time job, but me working in my office apart from the one shoot day a month that each client get. For example, take one of my clients, which is a restaurant in my local area. I'll go to their restaurant once every month, take photos, take videos, come back, edit all the photos on Lightroom and videos in Premiere Pro, because I do everything myself, and schedule that person's content for the entire month. And that's the best thing about a social media marketing agency, because it's so easy to start as long as you know how to do the bare minimum of take photos and videos and talk to clients and build relationships. Because let me give you an example. You're working a 9-to-5 job Monday to Friday every single week, and you're making £400 a week, which is £1,800 a month. What's honestly stopping you from starting your own social media marketing agency and going to find 2 clients who are going to pay you £800 a month each, which only requires 2 or 3 days work out of the whole month to make the same amount of money than you are making currently in your 9-to-5 job? And you're probably sat there thinking, well, it's hard to find a client who's going to pay me £800 a month for 1 or 2 days work. And that's the mindset I used to have. When I started my business, I was like, who the fuck is going to pay me £800 a month to run their social media? And until I got my first client who paid me that £800, I was like, hang on a minute. There's people who actually want to pay and invest in their business and pass all the social media work to one person and are willing to pay that £800 a month. So if you can find 2 clients to pay you £800 a month each, you're going to be making the same amount of money than you are currently in your 9-to-5 job, working Monday to Friday. and on top of that, you're literally unhappy. 2 days out of the entire month you actually have to work for the 2 individual clients, and the rest of the month you can either be working on a separate side hustle like Amazon FBA, you can make different money online, or if you want, you can fuck off to Dubai and have a holiday. It's just such a good business model to start a social media marketing agency. Hopefully this video has inspired you a little bit. Again, I'm not here to sell anything. I'm not here to brag. I'm not here to show off. I'm a very normal guy who's managed to build a marketing agency and have managed to hit a goal that I set for myself at the beginning of my social media marketing agency company, and I've hit it. But the worst thing is now is, what's the next goal?